Boxer. He's no ordinary box bot. Boxer's a bowler, a DJ, a dancer, and so much more. Boxer, Boxer, Boxer. Enormous plate, tiny bot from Spin Master.
Here at Really Rad Robots, we make
Me, TurboBot.
Ready, Turbo?
I'm your turbocharged speed machine. Oops.
Turbo!
Yo!
Spin!
I think I'm gonna puke. What's that smell?
Woohoo! It's turbo time. Control me if you can. I'm TurboBot from Really Rad Robots. Batteries and board bits not included.
Here at Really Rad Robots, we build really rad robots. Like my bro, your super awesome buddy.
Yo! What's up?
He speaks for you.
Step away from the kink.
He spies.
Toby, kiss me. Oh! Kevin!
He scores.
Oh, sweet!
He'll impress your friends. He'll save the day.
Thanks, dude!
My bro, hardwired for fun from Really Rad Robots.
Batteries and popcorn not included.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
Introducing the Remote Control Robot Dog from Top Race. Give your dog commands with the included easy-to-use remote control. And watch as he plays the day away. Take him for walks.
Somersault.
And even control him using your voice. He even imitates other animals. So what are you waiting for? From Top Race.